So let's make this dish. We're gonna start with a little caper.
Ooh, I love capers.
I do too. A little shallot. Some lemons. Oh, I'm loving this. Can you smell that already?
Yes, I can.
Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna deglaze with a little lemon juice.
Very nice.
A little white wine. Oh, you see how that's already the heat? Mm-hmm. You see it's not just one side? You see how it's even heat?
Yes.
Because I don't want any hot spots.
Right.
Right? A little bit of chive. Oh, baby, look at this.
That looks beautiful already.
We're gonna take our salmon, look at that, perfectly cooked, right onto our plate.
Yummy.
And then what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna come here, garnish it a little bit. So now the sauce is reduced, and now we'll just come.
Oh, look at that.
All right, now we're gonna take this.
Oh, look at that,
Okay.
chef.
Look at how perfectly cooked that is.
That looks, is that for me?
That's for you, baby.
Thank you, sir. You know what I love? That perfect sear gives
You
it
got
that little
texture?
crunch. Yeah.
The little texture there.
That little crunch, it's so nice.
Oh, so
It's
delicious.
Delicious.